For this station model, Move Seed Move, your materials will be your student sheets located in your station's packet. You'll need scissors and you will also need glue. So I'm going to read these instructions to you. Please follow along on the screen. So it says one trait or feature that many plants share is that they reproduce by making seeds. Pollen from the male part of the plant combines with the eggs from the female part of the plant to make seeds. When a seed gets buried in the ground and watered, it will start to grow into a new plant. If all seeds fell off the parent plant straight down to the ground, the new growing plants would become crowded. They would have to share water and minerals from the soil. Some plants would grow tall and block sunlight from the shorter plants. Instead, there are many different ways for seeds to land on the ground far away from the parent plants. Some seeds rely on the wind to move them. For example, dandelion seeds are attached to a stalk and topped with a piece of fluff. This fluff catches on the wind and carries the seed far away from the parent dandelion. Another example is maple tree seeds. These seeds are shaped like helicopters or wings. When they fall off the tree, they fly far away from the parent maple tree. Water is another way seeds move away from their parent plants. When acorns and walnuts fall, rainwater moves them into nearby streams and rivers. Eventually, they wash on shore where they are planted. Palm trees grow on the seashore. Powerful ocean currents carry their seeds, called coconuts, to faraway places. Many plants rely on animals to eat their fruit, including the seeds. The animals bring the seed far away from the parent plant. When they digest the fruit, the seeds come out of their droppings, or their poop. The droppings become a fertilizer to help the seed grow into a healthy plant. Another way animals move seeds is when the seeds hitch a ride on an animal's fur. Some plant seeds have burrs or spikes that catch on the animal as it is walking by. Later on, it drops to the ground where it is planted far away from its parent plant. So for this activity, you are going to be categorizing the different images, and I'll show you what they look like here. So for example, this top row, you see a strawberry, a dandelion, burr, and an acorn. So you are going to categorize each of these different types of seeds into one of these four categories and how they would move from their parent plant. So if the seed would stick to fur of animals, you're going to glue it in this box. If the seed moves by water, like in the passage example, a palm tree's coconut, you're going to glue it in that box. If the seed is eaten by animals, digested, and then pooped out as fertilizer, you'll put it in this box. And then if the seed is moved by the wind and is taken away farther from its parent plant, you're going to glue it in this box. So obviously you have these handouts. You have this one in your packet. This is also in your packet, but you're going to need to cut these out and glue them in the correct boxes. And after you're done with that, that is the end of the activity.